Hey guys, it's Brian from IMC Equipment. Hope to find you all safe and healthy. I thank you for giving me just a couple minutes of your time to show you 4 pieces of equipment that will make your shop more productive and able to handle the demands before you today. I know these are trying times now, but this too shall pass and we will get back to normal soon. So with that, let's get started. So first up is going to be our flagship PTI Smart Spot Welder. Smart meaning you just pull the trigger and it welds. OEM requires 10,000 amps or above. We are at 14,500 amps. It also requires 1,000 foot-pounds of pressure. We are at 1,200 foot-pounds of pressure. It detects thickness, a type of metal, from mild to boron steel. No need to do anything else, just pull the trigger and keep welding. You can also set the machine to weld the way you want to weld. It also has a glue mode to spot weld through your structural glue in the handle time alone. It also records your welds so you can have documentation of whatever you just welded for your records. It's got a nice, simple user interface. Next up is our rivet gun for the SPR rivets. As the aluminum Ford trucks and many other models have now, comes with a starter kit of dies, installs the Ford bedside SPR and door opening SPRs, and now we have the Auto Pulse, which is our 220 volt 3 torch head MIG-MAG welder. Pulsed welder to keep weld cooler for aluminum and double pulsed for even thinner aluminum. Pulse is necessary for your ICAR test. Silicon bronze for high strength steel for those areas that you can't spot weld. We also have an optional push-pull torch that will allow a more seamless wire feed in the 0.8 millimeter wire. We have 46 synergic modes, which means you set the metal thickness and pull the trigger. The machine sets the wire speed. 4 weld modes, 3 weld interfaces from easy, expert, and advanced, where you can be more specific how to set the welder up the way you want to weld. It comes loaded with all 3 wires and regulator. Just add your gas tanks and you're ready to go. So as you can see, you can dial the machine down to whatever type or thickness of metal that you have and go right on. Now we have the plasma cutter, which has an auto arc feature, and you don't have to ground out to get the arc going. Seamless cutting for a nice, neat cut, as you can see there. Now we have our heat induction, which is used for loosening those rusty bolts or hard to loosen bolts. And the really neat part about this is also the glass removal, so you don't have to wait for the glass company to come out. It also does molding and emblem removal as well. So with that, that's all from me today. Thanks so much for your time, and if there's anything I can help you with, please call me. My number's at the bottom of the screen, as you can see there. On behalf of IMC and myself, thank you for your time, your business, and God bless.